Hey guys, this is my flight into a massive gas holder. I was actually going to fly somewhere else, but as I was walking past it, I was like, such a beautiful structure, this one. And I decided to fly into the very middle of it, then almost nearly land the drone. I was trying to not actually land the drone, because if it were to disengage the motors there and actually land, I wouldn't be able to get it out of there because it's all like, whatever, protected territories. And then fly out of it and sort of show you this perspective that just throws this massive object in front of you from an angle that you've never seen it. And I really enjoyed it. So I didn't know if there were any cables inside, and you can't really see it on the screen of the phone as you're coming in. But now we're coming out, so obviously you know that I've descended in the middle of it already. But getting in there for the first time was really, really scary, and you can't really see. You see those like massive cables on the sides of it. I mean, there could be any inside, and I wouldn't see them from as far away as I were. And it was just a magnificent, magnificent ascent from the middle of it. I've done two videos, and on the second one, I didn't quite get it right. I seem to just go too fast on the sticks. I'm like, I start to fly a bit fast on my second and third goes, but this one, the first time, was perfect. Just look at that, and the slow rotation just shows you the magnitude of the whole structure. Very nice, very nice.